If you're looking for the best and longest Shopify free trial in 2025, you're in the right place. Shopify is offering an extended free trial, but it's only available through special links, like the one in my description. Don't visit Shopify's homepage directly, or you'll only get the short standard trial. Use my link below to unlock the longest and most powerful Shopify free trial available right now. With this exclusive offer, you get up to 90 days of full access to all Shopify features, completely free. That means you can build and launch your store without spending anything upfront. Here's how to get your Shopify free trial, step by step. First, click the link in my description. Once the page opens, enter your email and hit Start Free Trial. I recommend using a new email to guarantee access to the extended trial. Next, set your password and create your Shopify account. Shopify will then ask a few setup questions. Nothing complicated, and you can always change your answers later. For sales channels, select Online Store. On the next screen, if you're brand new, choose I'm not selling yet. Then, select what type of products you'll be selling. Shopify works with dropshipping, print on demand, handmade, and digital products. And if you're unsure what to sell, Shopify apps like AutoDS and AppScenic can help you discover trending products that sell fast. Now click Get Started. You'll be asked to choose a Shopify plan. Go with the basic plan if you're starting out. It's more than enough to grow. Enter your payment info to activate the free trial. But don't worry, you won't be charged until your trial ends. Once that's done, your Shopify free trial is live. You can now customize your store with the drag and drop editor, add your products, set up payments, and connect to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or Google for traffic and sales. Before launching your store, just remove the password. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Remove Password. That's it. Your store is now live and ready for orders. This is hands down the best Shopify trial available in 2025. Shopify doesn't offer this 90-day free trial all the time. It's a limited time deal, and it could disappear soon. Click the link in the description now to claim your Shopify 3-month free trial. Whether it shows up as a 90-day free trial, 120-day offer, or 4 months free, grab whatever is live. It's the easiest way to launch your online business without spending a cent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, use the link in the description to start your free Shopify trial today before it's gone.